25 years. That's how long I've been building cars and trucks. This 1985 Dodge, people saw it and thought, that thing's done. I saw something different. Diesel engine, four-wheel drive, daily driver, tow rig, built in my driveway, with basic hand tools, no fancy shop, just 25 years of knowing what's possible. This is the story of how I build it from nothing to something. These visuals are step-by-step process, so watch till the end. Don't miss the end, because it's beautiful. This truck came to me in 2008. Original 1985 Dodge W150 pickup. Gas engine, two-wheel drive, sat for years. The body was solid. That's what mattered. But everything under the hood? Factory original. Gutless. Underpowered. Not suitable for what I wanted to build. Here's the decision point. Do I restore this to original? Or do I build something better than it ever was? No shop, no lift, no air tools, just a driveway, basic hand tools, and a plan. Here's what I knew had to happen. First, diesel engine swap. Why? Torque, reliability, longevity. A diesel truck built right will outlive us all. But a diesel in a lightweight truck? You need the suspension to handle it. Which means four-wheel drive conversion. Not just for show, for capability. This truck needed to work, and it had to be a daily driver, not a trailer queen. A truck you can take to the grocery store and then tow a loaded trailer home. That's the bar. That's the project. The diesel swap was the anchor point. Everything else hangs off this decision. We removed the original gas engine, a 225 cubic inch inline six. Decent, but limited. In its place, a 5.9-liter Cummins diesel. More than 300 horsepower. Over 600 pound-feet of torque, right from idle. But diesel swap isn't just dropping an engine in and calling it done. The transmission, cooling, fuel system, electrics, all of it changes. This took time, patience, problem solving, figuring out what fits, what doesn't, what needs modifying. That's where experience comes in. 25 years of building means you've solved these problems before. Original truck was a lightweight two-wheel drive, adequate for the 80s, not adequate for a diesel engine working hard. We sourced a complete four-wheel drive drivetrain, transfer case, front axle, all the plumbing. And we fitted it to work with the diesel, with the frame, with the weight balance. This is detail work. Every bracket, every bolt, every connection has to be right. Not just to work, but to last. A truck that's gonna sit in a shop is one thing. A truck you drive every day in the real world? That demands precision. Then comes everything else. Wiring harness, cooling system tuning, fuel system, interior updates, brake system upgrade. This isn't glamorous work. It's not the Instagram moment. But it's the difference between a truck that impresses and a truck that works. Every system had to integrate. The diesel's power output, the four-wheel drive's capability, the daily driver comfort, the towing capacity. It all had to work together. Weeks of work, months of problem solving, trial and error, learning what works and what doesn't. That's the honest version of the story. Not glamorous, just real. But then, it's done. Not some mall crawler with a fresh paint job. Not a show truck, a real truck. Built to work, built to last, built to be used. Here's what matters. Does it work? Daily driver? Check. You can take it anywhere. Grocery store, highway, off-road, tow rig, check. This truck can pull a loaded trailer. Not strain, not struggle. Work. Reliability? That's the test of time. After 5 years, this truck's doing exactly what it was built to do. No breakdowns, no regrets. Just a truck that works. This truck represents something specific. It's not about having unlimited budget. It's not about the fanciest tools or the biggest shop. It's about knowing how, understanding what's possible, having the patience to do it right. 25 years of building taught me that. And I'm bringing that knowledge here. This 1985 Dodge, it's the first. I have projects in my portfolio going back decades. Restorations, conversions, builds that matter. And I'm documenting them, not for likes. To show what's possible when you combine knowledge with determination. If you're a builder, if you're a dreamer, if you look at an old truck and see potential instead of rust, then you're my audience. Subscribe! The next project is already in the works. And let me know in the comments, what would you build if you had the time and the knowledge?